Hey folks, ready to step into the cutting edge of modern firepower? Strap in, because we're diving headfirst into some of the most innovative and forward-thinking weapon systems out there today. First on deck is the Taver 7, chambered in 7.62 by 51mm NATO. This bullpup battle rifle takes the best elements from both the IWISAR and the X95, wrapping them into one rugged, mission-ready platform. Engineered for battlefield-grade durability with low maintenance requirements, this rifle excels in tight quarters thanks to its compact bullpup design. That layout makes for incredibly fast target transitions without sacrificing barrel length. On full auto, the Taver 7 cycles somewhere between 600 and 900 rounds per minute, depending on environmental conditions and gas setting. What really sets this platform apart is its dual-role capability. Outfitted with a high-power optic, it performs admirably in a designated marksman or even sniper role, all while remaining manageable in weight. Its fully ambidextrous lefties and righties can swap out the ejection port, charging handle, magazine release, and safety selector in the field without tools. Even the pistol grip can be swapped out for one that fits your hand or shooting style better. The rifle also features a short-stroke gas piston with 4 distinct settings: standard, adverse, suppressed, and a fully closed-off mode, making it especially appealing to special operations units who need flexibility across mission types. Next, let's switch gears and look at something quieter but no less impressive: the Norica Verotis 2.0 bullpup. A pre-charged pneumatic air rifle built for serious shooters. This one's all about precision and fine-tuned control. A handy external dial near the breech lets you tweak power output for optimum pellet performance. No tools required. Whether you're plinking in the backyard or lining up a squirrel at 50 yards, you'll appreciate the regulator's ability to maintain consistent velocity shot after shot. The beautifully finished, ambidextrous beechwood stock is not just for looks, it's outfitted with front and rear sling swivel studs, a cushy ventilated recoil pad, and an ergonomic pistol grip that accommodates a wide range of hand sizes. There's a built-in pressure gauge at the front of the air cylinder so you can quickly check your fill levels, plus a rotating dust cap and Foster-style quick disconnect for rapid refills. The Verotis 2.0 comes in 177 caliber 4.5 mm, 22 caliber 5.5 mm, and 25 caliber 6.35 mm, making it a solid option for both small game hunting and competitive target shooting. Think one projectile isn't enough? Then feast your eyes on the futuristic FDML-5. An experimental rifle that looks like something out of a science fiction flick. This wild design features a single stacked over under-barrel group with 5 separate chambers, enabling it to launch 5 rounds at once. That's right, pull the trigger, and you're sending a spread of lead downrange simultaneously. The system uses self-contained, preloaded metallic blocks. Imagine a hybrid between a magazine and a speed loader, each holding 5 rounds. The rifle carries 6 of these blocks, giving you a total of 30 rounds before needing to reload. Once a block is spent, it ejects and cycles the next one into position. You've got 3 firing modes to play with: semi-automatic, full auto, or the blast 5-at-once salvo mode. Let's shift our focus to Glock pistols, arguably some of the most popular handguns on the market today. That massive popularity has created a booming ecosystem of aftermarket upgrades and custom parts. Whether you're a competitive shooter or just someone who likes to tinker, there's no shortage of ways to mod your Glock. One notable option is the Mini 5 build kit, which gives your sidearm a serious tactical boost. We're talking about upgrades like extended magazines, an ergonomic stock, and optics compatibility that can extend your effective range out to nearly 300 feet. That's a big performance jump for what started life as a compact pistol. Of course, with a price tag around $1,399. It's not exactly cheap, and not everyone's thrilled about that. Looking to push your Glock into the digital age? Enter the Ratch Smart Slide, a next-gen drop-in slide replacement that gives your pistol brains as well as brawn. This high-tech system is designed specifically for the now-retired Glock 17 Generation 4 models and replaces your factory slide with one that houses an integrated digital screen. It also includes a USB chargeable backstrap module and upgraded magazine followers. Once installed, the Smart Slide can monitor real-time data, such as whether or not a round is chambered, how many rounds remain in your magazine, and how many shots you fired so far. It even gives low round warnings and confirms when the weapon is clear. Thanks to the embedded sensors in the magazine followers, this system offers round-by-round tracking, something you'd expect to see in military-grade smart weapons. And the best part? If you ever want to revert to your original configuration, just reinstall your stock slide and parts. Now let's talk precision, real precision. The Desert Tech SRS A1 Covert is a purpose-built sniper platform that's nothing short of a modular masterpiece. Engineered from the ground up for elite accuracy and portability, this bullpup rifle lets you swap calibers in under a minute 30 to 60 seconds. To be exact, using nothing more than a torque wrench. With support for 8 different chamberings, this rifle is as adaptable as it is deadly. According to the manufacturer, it's also the most compact sniper rifle in the world, thanks to its rearward bolt design and bullpup layout, making it nearly 12 inches shorter than traditional sniper rifles in the same class. Each package ships with one 5-round Desert Tech magazine, a threaded barrel with a protective cap, and multiple Picatinny rail sections for attaching optics, lasers, and other mission-critical accessories. If you're aiming for half-minute of angle groups and quick multi-caliber capability in a field-ready package, the SRS A1 Covert is tough to beat. Let's take a look at one of the most exciting entries in the large format pistol space, the Ruger LC Charger. Chambered in the high-velocity 5.7 by 28 mm round, this pistol offers serious firepower in a compact but highly configurable platform. Built off the Ruger LC carbine blueprint, it shares full magazine compatibility with the Ruger 5.7 handgun and also uses the same internal fire control setup, including a protected internal hammer and a blade-style trigger safety that delivers a smooth, short pull with minimal creep. The LC Charger features a 10.3-inch barrel with a durable nitride finish, and it comes pre-threaded from the factory with a thread protector in place, perfect for those planning to run a suppressor or compensator. The integrated handguard offers M-lock slots for mounting accessories like angled grips or lights, and the full-length Picatinny rail up top gives you maximum flexibility for optics, whether you're running a red dot or a compact scope. Each LC Charger ships with a standard 20-round magazine, though 10-round options are available for shooters in more regulated states. Where this pistol really stands out compared to the Ruger 5.7 handgun is in its added real estate. You've got more space to mount large format optics, attach stabilizing accessories like bipods, and tune it to your specific needs, all while keeping things light and portable. The barrel length is also a big deal. At 10.3 inches, it's the same as the barrel on the legendary FNP-90 personal defense weapon, which was the original platform designed for the 5.7 by 28 mm cartridge. That means you're getting the cartridge's full ballistic performance flat trajectory, high velocity, and armor-penetrating potential. Ruger's MSRP, a clean $999. Now, for those who are more focused on securing the home front, there's a groundbreaking new entry from BioFire Technologies that brings futuristic security into the firearms world. Meet the BioFire Smart Gun, a semi-automatic handgun that uses biometric authentication to ensure that only authorized users can discharge it. Unlike previous attempts at smart firearms, this one actually works, and it's being hailed as the first of its kind to hit the market with real-world reliability. The system utilizes fingerprint recognition as well as three-dimensional infrared facial scanning to verify the user. The kicker? You only need one of the two to unlock the gun. Place your finger on the sensor or let the gun see your face and it's hot. Lose either input and the gun locks itself instantly. We're talking about sub-second authentication. Drop the pistol. By the time it hits the floor, it's locked. Pick it up again, and it's live before your sights are back on target. Pretty wild, right? This smart gun comes with either a 10-round or 15-round magazine, and it's offered in both right-handed and left-handed configurations. The fingerprint sensor is positioned right where your middle finger naturally lands on the back of the grip, making operation totally intuitive. A compact onboard display not only shows gun status, but also houses the facial scanning hardware. Once you set your personal data via the smart dock, the system constantly scans for your presence when in hand. And yes, it can also track your round count over the life of the firearm, thanks to its onboard electronics and optional smart slide module. Cutting edge, secure, and surprisingly practical, the BioFire Smart Gun might just redefine what modern defensive handguns look like.